Quiero ser el hombre de tu vida, tener niños y estar en un altar. Tu belleza no se me olvida, ni tus besos y tus chistes al azar.
Alright, good morning guys.
Good morning.
So we just wake up and then we walk around the rice paddies around our hotel. So beautiful. The weather so fresh and then the sunrise so beautiful.
Yeah, but I have to wake up so early at morning to catch this. Yeah, but it's okay.
I will show you how the rice paddies grow so green. And you know, it makes feel, you know, I feel like it's so amazing.
Quiero ser tu amor tuyo. Contigo yo me siento en control. Quiero ser tu amor tuyo. Besándonos a la puesta del sol. Me conoces súper bien. Tú me viste y te subiste al tren. Todo vale contigo, hasta nuestros amigos se enamoran de la forma que nos ven. Enamorados somos dos. Mami, te lo digo, tú eres mi abrigo cuando va el sol. Con tu amor, esas nubes grises se vuelven color. Yo con tanto frío, tú me das calor. Listo para vivir contigo primavera.
As you can see, the sunrise and rice field is super cool combination. So beautiful, and the palm trees and rice and Winnie, and somewhere here, I think here is our villa.
Por favor, toca mis quién eres la mejor. Esta hermosa saca, soy el escritor. De vivir contigo estas primaveras. Quiero ser tu amor tuyo. Contigo yo me siento en control. Quiero ser tu amor tuyo. Besándonos a la puesta del sol. Yo lo que sé es que sin ti no es lo mismo, amor. No escuchemos lo que digan los demás. Desde chiquitos sabíamos alguna vez se dar este sueño de estar en pie al lado de la que amo, la que más adoro, la que me ha impregnado su amor en mi piel. Tu amor, esas nubes grises se vuelven color. Yo con tanto frío, tú me das calor. Listo para vivir contigo primaveras. Por favor, toca mis quién eres la mejor. De esta hermosa saga soy el escritor. De vivir contigo estas primaveras.
Alright guys, so as you can see, Winnie is working after trekking, and it's so beautiful sunny day, and I have a breakfast. We will have a breakfast, but I will eat first. Winnie have to be on the meeting, so that's how it looks like.
Quiero ser tu amor tuyo. Contigo yo me siento en control. Quiero ser tu amor tuyo. Besándonos a la puesta del sol.
Alright, it's time to tidy up our stuff and going out from the villa. Winnie just finished the meeting. It took her exactly 3 hours from 8 till 11, right?
Yeah, so that's my morning meeting actually. Wow.
Yeah.
And then now we will just get ready. We will check out from the villa, and then we will explore a little bit.
Yeah,
just around.
Because don't forget you have to still work.
Yes.
So just a little bit. But we will show you something.
Alright, it's time to go home. We will go home. And then yeah, it's so relaxing staying here just for weekends getaway.
Quiero ser el hombre de tu vida, tener niños y estar en un altar.
Alright guys, the situation is changed quite a little bit. Winnie is very busy, as you saw her before, and when we was going back to home she got many more jobs to do, so we decide straightforward after hotel we will go to home. And now I will show you guys around today where usually I'm having a coffee every morning or afternoon like today, and I'm gonna editing my video because I didn't even start editing the video, but I have to make it very important. And I'm in Sanur and I will show you the coffee place. So as you can see, this is the place where I always have a coffee, and the rest of the places are suddenly closed, as you can see over here. And yeah, that's how it is. Alright guys, so basically I'm done. The editing video took me around 2 hours 15 minutes, and uploading the video took me 1 hour 45 minutes. So now you know how's the struggle with internet in Bali. It's not so easy. Honestly, if I was reading like a 10 minutes video in America is uploading 5 minutes nowadays. So basically my video is 18 minutes today. That's yesterday when you're watching this. Should supposed to be like a 9 minutes uploading time, but it's just slightly longer, as you see. Yeah, Winnie is still working. I just spoke with her, and I think that's it for today's vlog. Little bit shorter than usual, but yeah, that's not always will be a long, or not always will be the short normal thing. I hope so you enjoy it. I hope so you like it, and if you like it, of course, don't forget to like, share, comment, and new vlog every day 7 p.m. Bali time. See you tomorrow, guys.